What if our efforts to get closer to God have actually made us more distant from it? We've built churches and temples, dedicated festivities and idolized icons, but we've neglected to worship the most divine manifestation: nature. While trying to establish supremacy on other species, men have developed human-like deities with features and values that mirror our ethics. We've taken a step away from our primordial nature and eliminated any reference to the environment from religions. Instead, we've created anthropocentric cults to give people faith and control the behavior of the masses. In a way, we've killed the universal God by creating a new one for ourselves. However, God goes beyond any human's conception. It has always been here, and it will always be, in any shape of life. God is an infinite substance which manifests its essence through the existence of nature. Every life that has existed or will exist on this planet is an expression of God. Humans are one of these countless expressions, and this is the deepest bonding that we share with the other species. There is nothing more magical than the harmonious equilibrium of the biosphere. Everything is interwoven, and the web is holy. At the moment, humans are exploiting this relationship and are taking more resources than they are returning. Pride and greed, motivated by nationalism and capitalistic competition, have blinded us. The concept of infinite growth, on which we base our modern society, is intrinsically unsustainable. Mother Earth is now trying to eradicate us. We're no longer welcome guests on this planet, but instead we are perceived as harmful pests. We need to stop assuming the environment is our commodity and start seeing it as a living organism to which we belong, with the same rights as any other species. If we want to survive, we must rethink our role on this planet and our social objectives. Promote collaboration rather than competition, and prioritize conservation over capitalization, because no one will be better off on a dead planet. Religions aren't the immediate culprits of the environmental challenges the world is facing, but have had a significant role in indoctrinating people into the belief that God and nature are two separate entities. We need to go back to our roots and reawaken our devotion for Mother Earth. Look within ourselves and reconsider our relationship with nature, or rather, God.